What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're gonna go over Matic, guys. I was dying to get a video out yesterday, but YouTube went down for creators. We weren't able to upload our thumbnails for hours and hours, and then I had a hot date. Well, it was pretty mediocre, actually. That's okay, but we're gonna go over Polygon today. Basically, everything I said in the last video has played out here. So currently we're sitting at $1.50, guys. We're up almost 10% on the day, which is beautiful. Very, very exciting. We're sitting at a market cap of 9.82 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.15 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to join the world's fastest crypto growing app. You see $25 in crypto. It's my favorite app for investing and I highly recommend it. All right, guys, let's start here on the 4-hour chart. So I'm just going to take a little drink of juice here. I got this pink lemonade and it's absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious. All right, guys, so I talked about our bullish divergence and I said I had a bias towards the upside due to the fact that the bears were losing strength, and we created a very strong level of support here at $1.20. We had our descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, but I did mention it can break out to the upside. It's about a 34% chance of breaking out to the upside, and it did. Beautiful breakout, guys. We're back above the EMAs, and we're getting closer and closer of reaching our target at $1.54. As you can see here, we're about to have the bullish cross on the 4-hour chart. So if the EMAs catch up and we're able to hold them as support, that's when we're going to see continuation for Polygon. A nice little bit of volume increase. I would like to see some more volume here for Matic. That's the one thing for Matic is we've had a lot of low volume lately, so we'd like to see a little bit of a spike here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're here on the daily chart, and you can see we're getting back above the 20 EMA on the daily, which is a beautiful signal. Now, what we want to see, guys, is we come up and we break this high. If we break this high, guys, we're good to go. We're going to break back above the golden ratio and head back up to the 0.786. We'll give it a little price target here, which is up at about $2.07. And then you have your all-time high up at $2.90 for Matic. Now keep an eye on the daily RSI. If we do come up and break this high, we might still be creating a bearish divergence, unless what we see here is that we come up and we start to break these previous highs, then we're good to go. But we're in a healthy range on the RSI. But if we do break this high and you see us create a lower low, we're still creating a bearish divergence on the daily. So let's look at Ethereum, guys. We're here on the 4-hour chart. I talked about our diamond reversal pattern. I talked about our bullish divergence, and it played out to a T. We already met our target and much, much more. We came all the way back up to the 0.786, right around 3577. And currently we're finding a little bit of resistance. If we scroll back here, I'm just going to open it up on the chart so it's more visible for you guys. You can see here where these wicks came down to, and a previous swing high is currently where we are finding resistance. So if we're able to break through this, there really isn't a lot of support and resistance until 3848. So if we do see continuation here, that's a juicy little gain to our next level of resistance of about 5-6% for Ethereum. We come up, we break this high, we're good to go. We start heading up towards our all-time high, which is up here at about 4407. If we look at Ethereum here on the daily, you can see we're trying to get back above the 0.786. I pulled my fib from our previous all-time high all the way down to our swing low here, and we can see we're getting back above the EMAs on the daily, which is a beautiful sign of strength. Since we saw our recovery here, we have not broke the 20 EMA. This was the first time with our flash crash. So the fact that Ethereum has gone back above the 20 EMA is an extremely bullish sign in my opinion. Do keep an eye on the RSI on the daily as well. If we create a higher high, we might still create a lower high on the RSI. But Ethereum, it's looking really, really strong in my opinion. If we look here on the weekly, we've allowed the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. We're not so overextended. It's healthy for us to go through a correction here to allow the EMAs to catch up, especially on the weekly chart here. And that will create a much healthier uptrend going forward, because of what happens here, if we get too overextended, we crash hard and we come through the EMAs just as we did here for Ethereum. So we'll end the video here with Matic. Guys, I trade Matic on Bybit as well as on Phoenix now as well. You can sign up through my links in the comments. You get $600 bonus on Bybit, and there's over $2,000 in bonuses on Phoenix right now. You can sign up in the comment section. They have spot trading and leverage trading available. All right, guys. So it looks like we're on our way to our target of $1.54 here for Matic. If we do roll over, we see a little bit more of sell-off. I would expect us to find support here on the EMAs. Over the course of today here, the EMAs will start to catch up to the candles this next 6 to 12 hours. And if we find support on the EMAs and we see that continuation, we break $1.56. Basically, your next level of resistance is up here at your high, which is up at about $1.79. And if we scroll back here, you can see $1.79 was a previous level of support and a previous swing high. So we break that high, we're good to go. We head up to the 0.786 at $2, and then our previous all-time high up at about $2.71. All right, guys. So if you do see a little bit of rollover, do expect us to find support on the EMAs. If we were to break that, I don't think it's likely, but of course it's a possibility. We have that $1.30 major level of support, but we're looking healthy for continuation, in my opinion. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope it brought you some value. If it did, smash that like button. Make sure to sign up to buybitcrypto.com. Phoenix, you can check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.